In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts on your Weebly site. Whether you're aiming to revamp your website's look or simply make some text more readable, changing the fonts is a simple but powerful adjustment you can make. So, let's dive right into the process and see just how easy it is to refresh your site's style. First, you'll want to log into your Weebly account and open your site editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in there, your cursor should head over to the top of the screen where you'll find a tab labeled Theme. Give that a click. Immediately, you'll notice a new set of options that will appear on the left panel. This is your newfound control center for theme adjustments. Now, amidst these options, look for a button that says Change Fonts. This is going to be your gateway to a whole new world of typographic possibilities. When you click it, you'll see that Weebly has conveniently categorized font changes by element type. This is super handy because it allows you to be very specific about which parts of your website you want to change in terms of font style. If you're wondering which element type corresponds to what on your actual site, Weebly's design is pretty user-friendly. By hovering over each element type listed in the sidebar, Weebly will highlight that specific element on your site in real time. This interactive preview means you can be sure you're choosing the right item, minimizing any guesswork. Once you've decided on the element type you want to modify, it's time to select it. Clicking on it will open up a drop-down menu where you'll be presented with an array of font styles to choose from. Have fun exploring these options. Source the options and pick the one that fits your vision for that particular section of your site. This is a fantastic opportunity to inject some personality or even improve the readability depending on your goals. And just like that, with a few clicks, you've managed to change the font on your Weebly site. It really can be as simple as that. Remember, experimenting with different fonts can give your site a professional makeover or even a more personalized touch. So feel free to play around with various combinations until you find what feels just right. I hope this walkthrough makes the process clear and straightforward for you. Feel free to go back and tweak things as often as needed until you've achieved exactly the look you want. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!